Hi, and welcome back to Cameron's Country. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the flat cap, specifically the Farlows flat cap. Farlows is a company based in England. It was started all the way back in 1840 by Charles Farlow, and it's been based in London ever since. They sell fishing equipment, shooting equipment, all sorts of country wear. One of the things they are most famous for is their flat cap. I have ordered one and it's arrived, so let's take a look. So I've gone for the green tweed flat cap. It is just a real classic. One of the reasons I picked it is because it has the brim, which gives excellent practicality, protects you from the sun and the rain. So it's great for shooting if you don't want to use it for shooting, although I picked it just for the style. It's got a nice fit, not too tight, but snug enough that it's not going to blow off if it's windy. It's 100% wool and made in the UK. And I just think it tops off literally just about any country outfit. Let me know what you think down below. See you soon.